it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and welcome to another video. Let's get decorating. I was gifted 2 dehydrators for my birthday, both different brands. It'll be really interesting to see how they perform. This is by no means a sponsored video, but I've never really used a dehydrator before, so it'll be really interesting to see if there is a difference in quality between the 2 brands. Grocery shopping during this time means that we really have to load up our carts because we want to minimize the amount of time that we spend in the grocery store. So I've ended up with a lot of fruit, and I want to make sure that I can conserve all that I can before any of it goes bad. The trickiest part I found when cutting citrus fruits was having to remove all of the seeds afterwards. But I have a feeling that the orange slices and lemon slices are going to make for the most beautiful decorations. When chopping the bananas, I made slices like regular banana chips, but I also wanted to try something different, so I sliced them a little bit lengthwise. It didn't turn out the best, but I'm hoping that if I place this on a cupcake of some sort, that it would look really interesting. I'm not sure if these raspberries are going to work at all. They have a lot of moisture in them, but I'm going to leave them overnight and see what happens. These dehydrators are fully stocked, and so far I've already noticed one benefit of the Hamilton Beach dehydrator, and that is that it has an automatic shutoff. Since dehydrating can take up to 24 hours for some fruits and vegetables, this is a huge plus. Some of the orange and lemon slices took only about 12 hours to fully dehydrate, but most of them took overnight, which was almost 24 hours. The banana chips turned out beautifully, and my daughter just absolutely loves them. She also really enjoys the apple slices. The raspberries are a bit tart. Time to get dipping some of our fruit slices. So I have some dark chocolate in here melting over a double boiler. Never melt your chocolate in the microwave or directly on your stovetop because it will seize. Now there is a right and wrong way to dip your chocolate. So as you can see, I whirled around that chocolate, making sure to take the excess off. Never scrape it on the edge of something as it will create an uneven coating. I would also like to add that I did add a bunch of vegetable oil to the chocolate. You don't have to do this, but if you don't, your chocolate won't come out smoothly. It'll be a little bit chunkier and thicker. I tasted both the dipped and non-dipped versions of these fruits, and oh my goodness, it was so amazing. Super, super tart because we didn't add any sugar, but with the chocolate on there, it adds a really nice hint of bitterness and sweetness. So scrumptious. I wanted to show you how you could utilize these decorations in your desserts, so I decided just to make a simple vanilla cake pop using the same chocolate that we were using for dipping before. If you want a full tutorial on how to make no-fail cake pops, I will leave a link in the description box below. I envision these being used at an outdoor garden party. I think it would look absolutely gorgeous if you used a white chocolate with it as well. I know I've done a lot of piping videos, but if you're not into piping, then using an ice cream scoop is a great way to disperse your icing as well. You could just leave the cupcake like this, but as we know, I'm extra, so I'm adding another little slice of lemon on top. I really wanted to make a video showing how you could use these on a wedding cake, but right now with my limited supply, I am going to hold off on that, and I might do a wedding cake series somewhere down the road. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now I'm uploading daily at 6 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Bye!